Hey besties, it's your girl Janine Shay, if you didn't know. So today, y'all, first of all, don't chew me. Don't chew me out because I literally just woke up. Your girl got to work at 3:30. It's 3:30 to 10. And then they have me closing. Like, since when do y'all have me closing? Like, but don't chew me out because I had on the bonnet. It's just that the bonnet was looking real lumpy lump up there. So I was like, I might just take it off. Right now, I'm about to get in the shower and stuff because I'm going to do my mini shein haul before I go to work. So I'm gonna get in the shower and get ready now. Don't mind my dog. Don't mind my dog. Huh?
You in there with you?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I found the pedigree. It was in the fridge. Come on.
But sorry y'all, sorry. But y'all, don't mind this nose ring. It's not even a nose ring. It's a regular earring because I lost my nose ring. I was in the car and I was like, and that motherfucker came off. I don't know where it went, but okay, what's up? Hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's too quiet. Oh my God, I'm going.
Hey, your grandma still in the hospital?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll go see her later.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
So today is December 29th. Yes, I still have my tree up. December 29th. And it's 12:30. Y'all, what they be doing in the halls, they be like, they be like, one thing about them, they gonna stuff something in the bag. But hold on, content creator life. Let me take a picture of this for my thumbnail. Alright, y'all, so let's get into the shit. First thing I got was this bracelet. Don't mind my nails because I'm getting them done soon. But I'm gonna take it off. But this is the pink bracelet. It got, I don't know what that is, but it got like a little fairy. Y'all know my favorite color pink, so I had to get pink. But it's in colors, so when it do, I'm gonna just throw it away and buy another. This girl got some glitter. So I kind of forgot what I ordered because I don't know why. I don't know if I need my card. Let me see. Oh yeah. IDs. And then, bro, imagine what my hair done. Stop playing. This is cute. Yeah. Don't play with her. She's not one of them. But these, y'all, I give this a 10 out of 10. Will recommend. Like, it's so cute. And then I got this pillow. I already opened it because I was so pressed for this purse. So this is the purse. The chain, it don't feel like plastic. It's metal. It's metal, y'all. It's metal. So, cause I'm gonna tell y'all, I was really worrying about how this chain was gonna feel, and it's metal. So, yeah. But this is the purse. It's real cute. It's real cute. Like, oh wait, and it's gold. Yeah. I'm gonna do a little fashion show. Hold on. Yeah. But yeah. It's very cute. This is the bag. And this is the chain. It's a little bit of like. And then this is the inside. Well, when you open it, it's like, yeah. So this is the inside. It's just burgundy or whatever. It's real cute, y'all. I'm gonna keep the paper in there so it can keep it, so it don't go flat. Cause y'all know them bags be going flat. It's real flat. I'm just gonna get to it too. I don't got time for my baby being flat. But no, this is I got this hat. I'm not gonna put in the hat because I'm in a bun. But I can show y'all how it feels. It's cute, but like I don't know about this. It's cute. It's cute though. It's cute. Don't get me wrong. It's cute, but like the material on it feels like weird. Like it's real thin. It's real thin, and it feels weird though. Look at the top of the hat. She ain't petting me. And that was the top of the head? It was. Yo. Get it together. What the fuck is about to walk around with a hole in the middle of the head? With a hole in the middle of the head. From a hat. It's a hat. It's a bean. Okay, whatever. That's me right there. I got some more glasses. Honestly, I don't know why I got so many glasses because it's definitely one of them are these. Shein upgraded their little glasses case because y'all know it didn't used to look like this. It didn't. But let's see what this one's talking about. Oh, it's kind of like a marble type thing. These okay. They okay. They not like boom pow boom boom. They cute though. I give these like a 6 out of 10. That's what it look like. That's what it look like. So I got this hoodie. It's cute. Yeah. But this is like, it's okay. Okay, let's go to the next item. Sweater. This is cute. The color is so cute. This look big. What size is it? A medium. Let me try this on. It's kind of big. So like what I would do is I would wear it like one off the shoulder and kind of like probably would do this. I'm gonna go like off the shoulder kind of like to the side. But it's cute, but see this one I brought. But it's cute. It's really cute. So 10 out of 10 will recommend. This is what is these? Oh, it's my two-piece. Okay, so I got the black two-piece and the size medium. Look at your boom, 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 boom back there. And this is the sweat, the sweater. I messed my butt up a little bit, but I love this. Bro, this UK boost, this UK boost, this UK boost, this UK boost. Like, love this stuff. The bottom, it goes all the way down. It goes all the way down. And like it's real nice and fitted. So this is the front right here. This is the back. I love it. And then I love the top of this. Let me see if they got any colors. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. What are you talking about? Who are you talking to? Who is you talking about, babe? Hello? No, I don't even know what you're talking about. Like, what are you talking about? I mean, photo shoot. I got one more thing at least, and then it's a dawn. I got a pen. Not too much. Like this. Calm down. Okay. Shein, what you doing? What you doing? I'm saying though. What you doing? Oh, bro. Oh, bro. And then y'all, I'm gonna have my hair done. I'm gonna have a side part. Oh, I'm gonna eat this down. I'm gonna eat this down. This is the last one. Yo, it's just that I got yellow and red because I want to like get more colors. You know what I mean? Like, more in tune with the colors. This is cool. Yeah. So, gotta try this. Okay, yo, this is the yellow. It's so cute. It's cropped. It's cute. Ain't it this cute?
I like that.
Yeah. I give this 10 out of 10. The material is nice.
I'll need you some more home.
This is a medium. All of my stuff that I chose are mediums. Except for that hoodie. That's small because it was oversized. Let me make sure I'm correct. Yeah, that was the only one that was a small, which because it was oversized. And like, if I would have got a medium, it would have been too oversized. So, yeah, but I like this. It's cute. Like, this is the bag. This stuff. This is how we look up close. It's real cute, y'all. Like, it do look how we look on camera. And I really, you'll be fine. I really like how this complement my skin tone. So yeah, it's only 1 o'clock. So I actually can't edit some of this. So that's not my thing. Okay, so at this point, I'm just showing y'all random vlogs and stuff of me at work because it's like a weekly vlog. I don't know where else to put it.
Hey, vlog.
But y'all hear it tell me. So we just had a fire drill at my job.
We do not have an all clear yet.
And then we come back in.
Go again.
So I don't know why I kept saying the drill because it definitely wasn't a drill. Believe me. So I'm at work. But we just had a fire drill, y'all. It's so cold. Like, it's weird, but I was kind of confused because y'all know how the alarm just be going on. That's what I thought it was, but I guess not. But right now, like I said, I'm at work and I'm just zoning. If you work at Target, you know what zoning means. But I'm just zoning right now in the beauty area because yeah, it's Jemima and Shay. Like, but y'all, I'm about to finish zoning. I get off at 10. It's 8:58.
Hey, Randy, Elizabeth, are you guys good on OPs and drive up?
But yeah, I'm about to go here because I gotta go.
Yeah, there's no.
The next day.
Hey y'all, so it's the next day, of course. I'm doing drive up. Around the holiday times, drive up is crazy. Like, it's really crazy. Hold on. It's really crazy. And right now I have 3 people stuck in my cart without showing too much. Okay, so this is what the garage look like for my job. But yeah, I could not record because I don't know, I just couldn't record. It's hard. Like, I'm at work. Yeah, I'm at work. But so far, I just have 2 more orders to go. I got this person, and then that person until another order approach. You feel me? But your girl is wait, and I get off in a little bit, like 3 hours usually. Oh, this is what I went to work. You know. So I'm done with work. You already know what's up. It's 6:40. Yeah. And your girl is waiting for her ride. Let me get out of here. It's music. Yo, don't chew me up. I know I'm coming back on here like 2 days later looking chewed again as soon as I woke up. I know. I'm sorry. I know. But listen though, I forgot to close on my video. And at first, I was going to like put like in a vlog like what I was going to do this weekend and stuff, but I'm gonna just make that a separate video because I don't want it to be too long. So anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Push the notification bell and follow Janiyah Shay on all social medias, and it's going to be in the description below, and it should be on the screen below. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. I love y'all, and say bye to my pop. He sleep. Say bye, Pop. Say bye, Pop. Yeah, he sleeps. So, okay. But yeah, come on. Look at his face. But you wanna say bye? Okay. But stay true and be blessed.